we are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty Oxy Acetylene torch. List number 1. 8 Mile Heavy-Duty Oxygen/Acetylene Cutting. High-quality heavy-duty 3-piece torch kit constructed with high-strength alloy, heavy-duty stainless steel, and durable brass. Double O-ring seal for quick, leak-free, hand-tight connections. General-purpose tip with medium preheat. Performance-matched cutting attachments are available for each torch handle series. List number 2. KOIKE Cone 150 Heavy-Duty OXY-FUEL Hand Torch. Can efficiently cut up to 6 steel with appropriate cutting tip. Locking cut oxygen lever makes for an easy-to-use torch that helps prevent fatigue for a long work shift. 3-tube design prevents flashback by mixing fuel/oxygen in the tip, creating a safer work environment. Heavy-duty brass and stainless steel design can tolerate the high demands of industrial use. List number 3. TOAUTO Heavy-Duty Cutting Torch. This cutting torch is mainly used to finish heavy-duty work. With this kit to cut metal with thickness 1/8 inch to 5 inch and weld up to 3/8 inch, can easily finish the work. Cutting torch and handle are ready for multiple gas options: Oxy Acetylene, oxypropane, or other fuel. 2 fittings on the handle mix up oxygen and combustible gas through standard hose to get cutting flame. The cutting nozzles may be different depends on the gas you are using. List number 4. 41711 Torch Kit. The 41711 Heavy-Duty Oxy Acetylene Welding Kit is a Victor-style heavy-duty torch kit, ideal for maintenance, fabrication, plumbing, and do-it-yourselfers. Provides high performance. Kit includes an oxygen regulator, 87,100, acetylene regulator, 87,101, torch handle, cutting attachment, goggles, flint lighter, tool grade hose, cutting tip no. 1. Welding tip no. 1. Welding tip no. 3. Welding tip no. 5. Special order. List number 5. SÜA-LIGTH Duty Professional Welding/BRAZIN. This torch handle fits only Series WJ acetylene tips compatible with Victor Series W, or W1 tips will not fit THIST or H. This torch handle has 3/8 24 hose fittings. Twin hoses with 9/16 18 hose fittings will not fit THIST or H. This outfit will not fit disposable oxygen and fuel gas canisters. It will only fit Model MC acetylene tanks with CGA 200 valves.